it's Monday and we're back on the Nova. Sean's back onto the bodywork, taping off the lines so you get them perfectly straight. And I'm on the gas tank straps. I've got almost this one out. I got one new one in. And then we've got our little, I don't know if you can see it, our frame repair. We've got the same on either side. So we'll try and get that all tidied up and done today. And then away we go. That's the back half done, and we'll continue on with other stuff. So that's what's happening here. Take a little walk around. You can see what he's got happening. Right here, you got the factory lead up in there or something going on. Someone's had some filler there, I see. Yeah. So that's what's happening. Yeah. There you go. Always puts the tape down. Put the tape down. Make sure your doors are adjusted right. It's all in line. Get all your body lines all done perfectly straight before you start doing any little bit of body work there. This car, we're finding most of this car, a lot of the waves and ripples in it are from the paint. This guy must have loaded, whoever painted this car, loaded the paint onto this thing, and then they wet sanded it. I mean, if you look at this car carefully, it is just full of runs everywhere. Even though they wet sanded it, you can still see the runs in it. But let's continue on with the gas tank straps. But I guess what I'm getting at here with the runs is when you block it out, when you're sanding it, blocking it out, it's not so much body work it needs, it's the paint itself is so thick on this car. But you see all sorts in this business. Okay, the old strap is out. The new strap is going in. Nothing like a floor jack and a piece of wood to hold it up. That's your best friend in the whole world. At least it is for me today. Sean's working away on the body. Okay, we've got our frame braces in there. Just putting a little bit of primer on there so we can seam seal it. We've got our up in there with our, I think he said it was resonators that hung there, and we welded all that up. And then same on this side. So we're just gonna let this dry up, and then we're gonna seam seal it just along in here so nothing gets in there, no water or anything. And then that's done, and then we will we'll continue on with it and see what else we find. Alright, got some primer on where we had ground it to do our plug welds to our braces underneath, which we got under. I don't know if you can see this. Got the seam sealer on it, let it all dry up overnight, and then talk to the owner and see what he wants me to spray on here, if anything at all. I would just spray this area with some light texture spray. Probably just do it out of a spray bomb, to be quite honest with you, for what it is. So we got that done. That looks really good. So we're getting there. We got our corner patches in, remember, so that's all over with. So we're slowly getting there. Sean's working away on the body here, getting the roof lines looking good because they were kind of, well, they weren't kind of, they were wonky, big time. So he's working on that. Just fixing all the lows. Lots of lows in this car, lots of wobbles. So you can see her circle with his finger where all that stuff is going on. That's all stuff you feel. So yeah, so that's what's happening. Well, we'll check it out from the other bay. Let's see how Mike's doing on the Blazer. Okay, so Mike is working away here. He's got the door all lined up, which is what you got to do before you start welding stuff together. And there we are. He's getting the inner rocker put in there right now. He's got all them support braces underneath there, but there's still a long ways to go. You know, I would imagine after he's doing this, maybe he's doing the floor piece, possibly, I would think, and then maybe he's doing the rocker. Then he's got to build the piece that goes up underneath. They have like a box underneath him, like a torque box. But he's still got rust repair here. Who knows? This is just one of those things, you know, it's kind of like a puzzle. You just do one piece after the next until finally you open the door one day and you go, holy shit, I'm done. And then you're like, got to do it all over on the other side now. But that's how it goes. Okay, well, that's it for this Monday, for that little bit of filming. I'll continue this tomorrow on Tuesday. And yeah, we'll see how it all goes. We will be here New Year's Eve. No reason to take New Year's Eve off. You don't go out till New Year's Eve night, so whatever. It's all good. Okay, catch you in the morning here. Alright, Mike's working away. He's getting this in. He's getting the floor piece in now. Everything's turning out good. He's got the mount in. It's getting nice and solid now. The old K5 Blazer is coming along. But as you can see, you've got to get up in here and deal with all this crap too. So, getting that dealt first, and then we'll deal with back here. That's what's happening there right now. Okay, we're back out here New Year's Eve day, and we're hitting it hard on the Nova. So we're going to be back the next day. So Sean's got a lot of this roughed in. So he's made sure everything's lining up. What I'm going to do right now is the owner said there's a little bit of rust. You probably can't see it. There's a bit of rust here. I'm going to be cutting that out, welding a new piece in there today. Doing that. And Sean's on to the other side now. He's giving her. And get everything squared up and lined up. We are here every day this week, working our asses off. It's New Year's? What really is New Year's? It's just another day. I don't need an excuse to drink. I'll drink any day of the week I want. So, New Year's, see you later. Okay, we got the rusty piece of metal laying there in the ground. We got it all cut out. We got our new piece plugged, butt welded and welded onto the frame rail there. Looks as good as new. So that's another little piece taken care of. Just slowly going through the customer's list of what he wants done. Perfect. Sean, he's still hitting it hard over here. Still going. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this New Year's Eve day. It's almost 4:30 and we're going to call it quits. Sean's going to keep going until 6, but we'll go see what Mike's doing inside the shop there, but I'm calling it quits at 4:30. There we go, looking good. Alright, well, we'll check out what's happening with the old K5 Blazer. Okay, we'll check out how Mike's doing here. There you go, he's getting that all welded in. You can see he's put the new panel in behind here that was all rotten earlier you saw. He's making up some new pieces down there. You can't buy this stuff for this truck, so you have to make it up. You can buy the rocker, you can buy the inner rocker, you can buy floor pan pieces. You can't buy the underneath stuff. And any of you know what I'm talking about with these trucks, you know what I'm talking about. Like normally on a pickup, that would be the floor, and you'd have your rockers. But if you come around here, and you look, because these are convertible top and it comes off, there's a lot of movement in this cab. So they built all these, see all this, you see all this here? This is all another box that has to be built that goes underneath the floor that you cannot buy. They do not make it. And look how rotten this one is. Hole right through the, Jesus, hole through here. And the problem is that they put these on here, no holes, no plugs, and all the shit sat in there, and that's why they rusted. That's why they rusted out. Look at it. So, you know, not an easy task. So that's where we're leaving off here on this New Year's Eve. So hey, if you see this video before New Year's, before you go out, it is New Year's Eve, well, have a safe one. As John Milner would tell you, be safe. There's a lot of idiots out in the road tonight. He knows because he didn't make it because of a drunk driver. Anyway, be safe, have fun, enjoy yourself. We'll be back here again. We're working right through the week because honestly, New Year's Eve, it's just an excuse to go out and drink. I can drink any day I want. I got my own bar. Don't care. Nothing changes. Tomorrow will still be the same old shit all over again. Anyway, you have a good one. Enjoy it. Celebrate. we'll catch you. If I don't catch you for the end of the week for what's going on here in the shop, I will catch you on Sunday Fun Day. We'll be back on that shoebox dash.